I want to take the time to show you how to create the Resto Putty. It's fairly straightforward. You want to simply add a little bit of styrofoam to some acetone. Usually styrofoam isn't hard to come by in a prep room. So if you ever have a restoration case, you want to give it a go, throw some in a little dish before you start the case, and let it sit a little bit first so it becomes pliable. This is some that I made just a little while ago. As you can see, it resembles skin. That's because I added cosmetic to it. It will take cosmetics very easily. Here's some where I mix sand in. You might consider that if you have to patch a part of a skull. Here are some shapes that I added cotton to, as you can hear, hard as a rock. Here's another skin tone made just a little while ago. Unique enough, when you add super glue to it, it reduces down a bit and grabs the skin to the point where you would need like a scalpel to get it off. So here's some made just now. One of the ways you could speed up its reaction is if you use a blow dryer. Switching between hot and cold helps it. And of course, you want to use gloves when you use this stuff. Bring plenty of them because it's sometimes so sticky it'll keep grabbing your glove, especially when you bring super glue into it. Here's how easy it is to add cosmetics to it. Just work that in to it. And then as you knead it or mix it around, it'll immediately take the characteristics of the cosmetic. And this is ready to make a shape or whatever you'd really want. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to do this, I suggest you share it with embalmers. We know that restoration does normally take a lot of time, so the speed at which you're able to do these sort of things allows you to make the most amount of value of your time and really do the best job possible. It in no way replaces in whole wax. It's usually pretty common to do a little bit of additional wax work after you've let it sit on the case. It does have a tendency to harden with gravity. As you can see there, it'll start to sink. So it's important to take care with that. A lot of the blow dryer, hot and cold, and spending a little time doing that will help it set up in a more desirable way. If you ever need to reduce it down, acetone is a good way to get it to be soft again. But again, once you bring in the super glue, it really becomes incredibly difficult to get it off the case without excising tissue.